Wow, it's been 5 years since I uploaded my first video to my YouTube channel. Since then, I've posted 277 videos, which have had 15.8 million views. During that time, I built my first workshop using mostly reclaimed materials. I built up enough confidence to talk to a camera, initially a bit like a robot, but hey, I'm slowly getting better at it. I got to collaborate with one of my favorite YouTube makers, John Heiss of I Build It. I began doing woodworking and restoration commission work for clients. I released my own wood finishing product. I got my first ever sponsorship deal with a tool company that I really admire. I got to interview some of my favorite makers and content creators, and I moved into a new home where I could create my dream workshop. And all of that without even mentioning pineapple shorts and oak hat and coat stands. I'm extremely grateful, and as a small way of saying thank you, I've been in contact with all of the tool companies that have ever reached out to me for collaborations to ask if they would consider making donations for a giveaway. And they have been very generous. The first prize comes courtesy of HiKOKI. It's the 12-volt brushless cordless impact driver and combi drill. HiKOKI were previously known as Hitachi, and in North America are known as Metabo HPT, and they make high quality tools, and I can vouch for that because I've been using them for over a year now and I haven't had a single issue with any of them. Links to HiKOKI's website and social media pages are in the description box below. This prize is available to anyone within the EU. Apologies if you're outside of the EU. To enter, follow me on Instagram and leave a comment with hashtag HiKOKI on the Instagram post linked in the description box below. The second prize is courtesy of Evolution Tools, and it's a combination miter and table saw, which seems great for anyone looking for a compact, multifunctional machine which won't take up a lot of space. And Evolution blades are also capable of cutting through a range of materials, including metal. Link to the Evolution website and social media pages in the description box below. This prize is available to anyone within the UK. Again, apologies if you're outside of the UK. To enter, follow me on Instagram and leave a comment with hashtag Evolution on the Instagram post linked in the description box below this video. The third prize comes courtesy of Machine Mart. It's the Clarke CCS 185B circular saw. Machine Mart are a specialist chain supplier of tools and equipment for DIY, building and home improvement, and they have a fantastic range of products. And I know that because I got one of their catalogues through my door a few weeks back and I spent an entire evening looking through it page by page. Link to their website in the description box below. I've owned and used Clarke tools for years now, and I've always found them to be reliable and well made. This is available to ship to the UK only. Apologies to anyone outside the UK again. To enter, follow me on Instagram and leave a comment with hashtag Clarke on the Instagram post linked to in the description box below this video. The fourth prize is courtesy of JCB, who are offering an 18-volt drill driver with two 2-amp-hour batteries with built-in charge indicator plus a fast charger that offers full charge in under 1 hour. I'll also link to the JCB website in the description box below. To enter, follow me on Instagram and leave a comment with hashtag JCB on the Instagram post linked in the description box below this video. This prize is available to the UK only. Again, apologies if you're outside of the UK. The giveaway winners will be announced on the 15th of December via my Instagram. Sorry to anyone who isn't on Instagram, but the reason for doing it all there rather than on YouTube is because I've done giveaways on YouTube videos in the past and it's proved really difficult to get in touch with some of the winners via the YouTube platform. Doing it via Instagram seems to be the easiest way because I can then private message the winners directly. So that should work out better for me and for the winners too. Thank you so much to HiKOKI, Evolution, Machine Mart and JCB for the generosity. It really is appreciated. As this is my 100k subscriber video, now seems like a good time to extend my thanks to a few other people. First, Ria for putting up with me, my mess and my crazy work schedule. All my patrons for directly supporting the content on my channel. My brother Alan, Uncle Kevin and friend Alex for helping me to get the new workshop set up. I couldn't have done it without you. The community of YouTube makers who are such a great bunch of people to take inspiration from and will bend over backwards to help each other out, which is amazing. And I'm not going to name names because I don't want to miss anyone out. Everyone who watches the videos on YouTube, particularly those who regularly comment on the videos, I always look forward to reading them, even if I can't always keep up with replying to them all. You might be wondering why I'm not showing off my YouTube 100k subscriber plaque in this video. Apparently I have to wait until I get a notification from YouTube and then I have to apply for it, and after that it takes up to 3 weeks to arrive. I'm really looking forward to getting it though. If it arrives before Christmas, it will certainly be one of the best Christmas presents I ever had. This video was pretty hard to make. Condensing almost 300 videos into a few minutes was always going to be a challenge, but seeing how the quality of my videos has improved over the years, reminding myself of some projects that I'd completely forgotten about, and seeing my confidence in front of camera improve over time was quite enlightening. I'm proud of what has been achieved so far, and I'm really excited about all of the future projects and videos that I'm planning. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more weekly woodworking videos. If you'd like to support the channel directly, you can do so via Patreon, and there's a link to that in the description box below, where you can receive early access to my content, free project plans and cut lists, exclusive content, and a name credit at the end of my videos. Thank you for watching.